In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place order on Oanda. Whether you're on the Oanda web platform, using MT4 or MT5, or connecting through tools like TradingView, the process follows the same simple flow. Pick your market, choose buy or sell, set your trade details, and confirm. Let's start on the Oanda web platform in your browser. After logging in, choose your market or instrument, like EUR/USD, gold, or a major index. From the chart or the instrument list, click Buy or Sell. That opens the order ticket, where you'll enter the details of your trade. First, select your order type. A market order executes right away at the current available price and is great when you want instant entry. A limit order executes only at the price you choose or better. Use this when you want to buy below the current market or sell above it. A stop order triggers when price reaches a level you set, useful for breakout-style entries, buying above current price or selling below it. Next, set your units, which is simply the size of your trade. If you're placing a limit or stop order, enter your desired price level. You can also add a stop loss to limit potential loss and a take profit to lock in gains automatically. These are optional, but they're powerful tools for risk management. Before you submit, double-check your direction, trade size, and any attached levels, then click Submit, Buy, or Sell to place the order. On MT4 or MT5, the flow is very similar. Open Market Watch, right-click the symbol you want to trade, and choose New Order. In the order window, set your volume, which is shown as lot size. Add your stop loss and take profit if you want to manage risk from the start. Choose your order type, market execution for an instant fill, or pending order if you plan to place a limit or stop to trigger later. When you're ready, click Buy by Market or Sell by Market, and your trade opens immediately. A quick word on order types to tie it all together. Market orders execute now and are ideal for fast entries. Limit orders aim for a better entry price, buying below or selling above the current market. Stop orders are designed to catch momentum, buying above or selling below current price when a move accelerates. If you're using mobile or TradingView, you'll follow the same logic. Pick the instrument, tap Buy or Sell to open the ticket. Choose the order type, set your size, add stop loss and take profit if desired, and confirm. Keep an eye on margin requirements and spreads, and always review your ticket before you click.